APK to your Android TV device. It's easy and let me show you how to do it. Open Google Play Store, search and install MiBox APK installer for Android TV. Open it and allow storage permission. Plug your USB drive to the TV or MiBox. Navigate to the USB drive and click on the APK you want to install. For the first time, you have to enable Install Unknown Apps permission. Click the APK again to install it. Done. If your APK is not designed for Android TV, you won't find it in home screen. In this case, you need to install Sideload Launcher to access it. Search and install Sideload Launcher. Now you can find your installed APK and open it.